As per the definition of the snapshot, if we come back to here, the snapshot, we define that the snapshot is, let's say, it's visual. It's a sample. It's a snapshot. It's a print screen. It's, let's say, a copy of the list of objects and instances that we have inside the database to be utilized later on for generation of the change script or something like that. The isolation level snapshot. Let's try. Sorry, snapshot is this snapshot. We'll see if it gets executed or not. Okay, it's successfully executed. Rolled back. 0 row affected. Rolled back. While we have actually the print is at the end. Let me change this one to, let's say, well done, committed. Sorry, uncommitted. That's great. So let me set it like that, and then after let me execute this query, this transaction. We have the affection. Everything has been affected, but the snapshot, no, it will cause us a problem if I set this isolation level to be snapshot. So it would cause us a problem. Why? Because actually the snapshot has to be enabled for the specified database. So how to do so? Before setting up the transaction isolation to be snapshot, we have to alter the database. I'm going to say database, which is the sales here. Sales. What is it? Sales procurement is the one. Yes. Procurement. Okay, that's the one. Set. We have to set. Actually, we have to specify that we need to set the isolation level snapshot to be allowed, to be permitted. Allow snapshot. That's the isolation snapshot on. No, we have an error. Yes, great. So allow snapshot isolation on. I'm gonna highlight, execute, successful. Now execute this one, this isolation as a snapshot. Now execute this transaction. Everything is running. Everything is running very fine. So for the snapshot, we have to allow the snapshot on the specified database. Otherwise, if we do not allow, if we turn it off, want to turn it off, this permittance here. Okay, successful. Now I'm gonna set the isolation level to be snapshot, and I'm gonna let's say execute this transaction now. It will not run. It will not run from the beginning. So isolation level snapshot. It will not run. It will not do any updates. I have to allow the isolation as a snapshot, and then after we activate the isolation to be snapshot, then after we execute our transaction. Full stop. Successful. So this way actually we are able to control the snapshots. This is the second recorder. I'm going to give it to you also.